In this lesson, we will cover creating and editing switch systems and adjusting switch system properties. In this project, lighting fixtures have been placed along with some lighting devices. In these exam rooms, we have lighting fixtures along with occupancy sensors. These occupancy sensors are lighting devices which can control light fixtures. In order to associate light fixtures to lighting devices or light switches, you can create a switch system. Switch systems are independent of lighting circuits and wiring. When you select a light fixture, there is a Create Systems panel in the contextual ribbon. When you click Power, you can create a power circuit. In order to create a switch system, you can select Switch. When you do, a switch system is created. And currently, just the light fixture that I had selected belongs to that switch system. At this point, you can click Edit Switch System, and Revit goes into Edit Switch System mode. In the contextual ribbon, there's an Add to System and Remove from System tool. With Add to System selected, I can select the other lighting fixture in the room, and then I can click Select Switch and select the occupancy sensor. When I do, you can see in the Switch ID field in the options bar that the lighting switch filled in with the occupancy sensor that I had selected. You can also see the number of fixtures that belong on this switch system. Once you are finished, you can click Finish Editing System. When you hover over a light fixture and press Tab, you can tab until the switch system highlights, and then you can click to select it. When you do, the properties appear in the contextual ribbon, but there's really not many properties that you may use over the course of a project. But you may need to edit the switch system, or you can go back and select a switch or disconnect it from a switch. We'll do one more, and I will select two lighting fixtures and then click Switch. And when I do, the switch system is created, and I can click Select Switch in the contextual ribbon and then click the occupancy sensor. And so that's a quick way to create a switch system without going into Edit Switch System mode. Lastly, one thing to keep in mind when dealing with switch systems is that only one switch can be added to a switch system. So in the case here of the corridor, I have a three-way switch on this wall, and then over here by the nurse station there's also a three-way switch. And so if I will just select a few of these light fixtures and create a switch system, and when I click Select Switch, I can just select one. If I try to click Select Switch again and select the other one, it will simply change to this switch as opposed to this one. And so there's no way to assign two switches to a single switch system. So keep that in mind when you're creating your switch systems.